A big slap in the face of China. Australia to join the upcoming Malabar exercise conducted by the Indian Navy. The news in detail. India on Monday officially invited Australia to join the upcoming Malabar exercise, which is likely to take place next month in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Australian Defence Minister Linda Reynolds confirmed the participation in a tweet with a joint press release and said that the exercise will bring together 4 key regional defence partners. The series of Malabar started back in 1992 as bilateral India-US Navy exercise and was later joined by Japan in 2015, now making it a Quad or quadrilateral coalition with Australia. Australia has been showing keen interest in joining the exercise for the last few years. However, due to the coronavirus pandemic, the naval exercise this year has been planned in a no-contact at sea format. All 4 participants of the Malabar naval exercise will engage in enhancing safety and security in the maritime domain. The 4 nations collectively support free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific and remain committed to a rules-based international order, a statement from the Defence Ministry read. India's decision to make Australia part of the mega naval drill comes in the midst of escalating strain in ties with China over the 6-month-long border row in eastern Ladakh. The exercise aimed to strengthen India's force by increasing coordination between the navies of the participating countries. China has been suspicious about the purpose of the Malabar exercise as it feels that the annual war game is an effort to contain its influence in the Indo-Pacific region. News Desk, Karma News.